Well, we're gonna make a video, and if you do some good tricks, we'll give you a pair.
Well, I mean, I just started skating, and I'll try.
Just started skating?
Yeah.
Even better. These are 10s.
So maybe like kickflip back nose blunt the rail? All right, guys, we're very excited because we're here today at Fremont with Worst Complete at the skate park. We gotta go through here and see if we can find any kids. Oh, there's Carlos. He's a kid. And we also got some shoes. We got some shoes to give away as well. So not only are we doing, I don't know that we're doing worst shoes, but it's gonna be part of the video for sure. So Worst Complete at the skate park and shoes. Let's go. Excuse me, sir, excuse me. Let me see your board. Brand new board day. Oh man.
Yeah,
okay, well do a trick for us.
Like what?
Anything. Anything you got. Oh, good one. What do you got? Let me see your board. This might be a contender. This might be a contender. He's got a chip. Trucks are nice. Wheels are good. What trick do you want to do? Any trick.
Tray flip.
Tray flip on flat? Yeah. Or off the 5 stair? Just your choice.
Flat.
Okay, okay, on flat. Yeah, man. Killed it. Good job. You got a trick for us. Anything, any trick.
Any trick? All right, bet.
Killed it. What do we got here? A brand new mouse grip tape, Bart Simpson. Yep. You got a trick for us?
Ollie the kicker to flat.
Ollie the kicker to flat? Oh. He says he's a 7.5. I only have 8.5. 8.5? Oh no. That's pretty sick, so take a bag.
Okay, thanks.
First try. You. Let me see your board. No, you.
Me?
No, you. Oh, this board looks okay. Do a trick for us. What do you got?
Just make it easy.
All right. I don't know about that. What do you got? Oh my gosh, let me see this. Uh-oh, this might be a contender. Look at that tail. How long you been skating this?
Like a year.
You've been skating this for a whole year. What trick do you got for us today?
I can try to air out over there.
Let's go, bro. Okay, you got this, you got this. Yeah! You killed it!
Thank you.
So good. All right, let's see. Who's got the worst shoes ever? I think we found the worst shoes at the skate park. Look at this right here. What is going on, my friend?
Oh, that's so cool.
Those are a little big though. These ones, those are a little big too. What about these? 8.5. What do you got though? You got your trick.
Kickflip off something.
Off something?
Yeah.
The 5 stair?
Maybe. All right, I'll do this.
Right here for the shoes. Oh!
Don't ever get too overconfident.
You killed it! Well done. Well deserved, my friend. Here.
Thank you.
Rock those. You crushed it. Boom. First kickflip down the 5 stair ever.
We can do that.
You think you got it? What do you think?
Fuck it, let's go for it.
Oh! Go ahead and ollie it first. Oh yeah, boy. Gabe, let's go up this board. Oh man.
You gotta get the grip tape, RPX.
The grip tape, man. No nose, no tail.
Oh, God.
Well, we got this for you, but we gotta get like a trick, a progression trick for you.
Progression trick.
Yeah. What do you think you got?
I know for sure I'm not gonna kick tape that, bro.
Yeah?
Front shove?
Front shove? You got a front shove?
Let's start back shove.
Back shove.
I got those.
Right here. First try. What size of shoes do you wear?
All right, 9.
You can fit into a 10. First try, pair of shoes and a full complete skateboard. And a tote bag. And I'll give you $5 from Gabe. He's taking the shirt off. It just got very real. Oh. Well, I thought you were going back shove. Front shove? Oh, you got this. So you've never done this before?
Never.
Never, not ever.
Ever.
Ever in the history of never, you ever.
Never.
Wow.
Yeah.
We don't know what it was, but we like it. Whoa! Laser. If you laser flip it, I'll give you 12 pairs of shoes. I think he's got this. I really feel it.
Yeah, me too.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Was so it!
Oh!
Oh boy.
There it is.
You got that. in the world? Yeah, boy. Oh,
Yeah.
bro. Full send. You got it right here. Wow.
Oh, hey. Oh my God!
First ever kickflip down the 5? That's your first ever, right? Really? Second try.
That was so perfect.
Oh!
Full send though.
Jacuzzi in the jacuzzi.
Daniel will just not skate all day and then try to 360 hard flip 5 stair.
I know.
No warm up, first try.
Oh! You had it!
Oh, you only get one shoe now. Alright, cool.
Yeah!
Oh!
No!
His board chipped more.
Now the board is really jacked. Chunky. Oh no. You got this, you got this. Here we go, front shove. Here we go. Oh yeah. I feel that you have that right now. Are you feeling that?
I feel it, bro.
It's kind of like a little, but it's also, you know? Yeah. Oh yeah. Just a little bit of an earlier pop and you nailed this.
There it is.
The board is flying to pieces with every attempt.
I know.
Dude,
That
it's
means by
beautiful.
the time he lands it, it should be fully broken and he'll be ready for a new one.
Sounds good to me.
Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, no slide from Fetty. What? Front shove under Cthulhu heel flip late shove.
Troy, I think you should formally name the Black Widow.
Willow.
Willow the Widow.
Willow. Willow.
A little bit earlier, pop a little bit earlier. If you land it right here, I'll give it to you first try.
There you go. You got it, just full send. There you go.
Yeah, boy. I believe in him.
No,
I don't
think you
care
can do it.
if it takes 30 days to land this. We'll be here. If you land it right here, all the ankle pain will go away because you'll have brand new shoes. You got this, 3 tries. And then we'll go over there. One more try. If you don't land it right here, you're still the best gladiator we've ever seen, ever.
First try. That one. If I don't land it, if I land it, it's good. If I don't, that's it.
No more 5 stair, first try off the hubba.
First shot though.
Boosh. Oh! You got that though, you got that. The crowd goes wild.
No!
Well, we had a first ever kickflip down the 5 stair.
I told you I couldn't get it on the 5, but for sure I was gonna get it on the hover, bro.
You killed it, you crushed it. First ever front shove. That's your board. These are the shoes.
Sure, man. Thanks, bro.
And
Appreciate
you
it.
even get a little bag.
Lit.
Yeah. All right, keep killing it, keep skating. Crush it out there. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And even you way back there, thank you. Yes, we love you as well.
Me?
Yes. That was worst board at the park. We gave away a couple pairs of shoes. Hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as we had fun making it. We hope you had that much fun watching it. If you want to get your very own skateboard, just like we gave away, full complete, you can click right here, brailleskateboarding.com. If you've never skateboarded before, get a skateboard and start. It is time to start. You guys, yes, you, if you don't have a skateboard, you need to get one and you need to start skateboarding. We will teach you how. Click right here to go to the worst board on the internet. Literally, we found the worst board on the entire internet. You guys will love that video. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe right now. Just go and subscribe. It's just the button. You just click it and then you're subscribed. If you are subscribed, click the bell. It gives you notifications. When we make a video, you will know. The next video, I will see you in it. I'll see you there. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep watching, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Peace.